Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite chocolate girl, Beatbymoe, and I'm back with another slay for you today. So, y'all get into this beautiful fall look, y'all. Yes, this is the series ending of my fall looks. And guys, I apologize. I'm just gonna apologize because I am not finna do my intro 500 times because Bae wanna be loud today. No. So I apologize for his rudeness, but we gon' press through it. So here is the final look of my fall series. Guys, I'll be showing you how I got this look. So if you have not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe and join the gang. For all my returning subscribers, hey girl, hey. Everything I use on my face will be listed in the description box. Go ahead and follow my Instagram at Beatbymoe so you can see the pictures. And let's go ahead and get into this look. Okay, so we're going in with our Nicka K eyebrow pencil, and this is in the shade Black Brown, and we're just gonna go ahead and start filling in those brows. Y'all, I did not prep my brows or anything. I just brushed them up a little bit and just started filling them in because I like how they look whenever I just go in and fill them in. They look more natural than prepping my brows with any brow gel. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and clean up the brows. We're going in with the I Am Magic Juvia's Place Concealer in the shade 9 for the bottom. And then I'm going to go in with the shade 7 to clean up the top. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my brows, guys. This isn't me showing you how I do my brows. I mean, you can learn from this, but this is just me cleaning up my brows for the sake of this video. I didn't want it to be too short because we're not going in with heavy makeup today. So like I said earlier, we're going in with the number 7 with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer. And I am just going in and cleaning up the top of my brow. Y'all, if y'all can't see, I'm left-handed. So I'm like really backwards and awkward to most people. So to me, that what I was doing was making sense. But a lot of people gonna be like, girl, why are you doing that? But that makes sense to me because I'm left-handed. Okay, so I did go in and put the concealer on my eyes, the Juvia's Place number 9 concealer. So I'm just going in with the Milk Makeup Translucent Powder in the shade Deep. And I'm just going to go ahead and set my eyes. Guys, we're not going in with the heavy eyeshadow today. We're not doing no cut creases or none of that. We're just doing something real simple. So you want to make sure that you set your eyes really good. So now we're going into the Natasha Diana palette. I got this in a BoxyCharm. We're just going into that brown color, and we're just going to set that all over the lid. Because like I said, guys, we're not going in with a heavy eyeshadow. We're not doing any colorful looks. We are just going to make this as basic as possible. I am going to go in with some liner and some diamonds. I didn't do it on camera because if I did, we would still be here watching me put diamonds on my eyes. So I did go in with some diamonds and liner and just put that on my eyes. So now we're getting to the foundation. I'm going in with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade number 7. I'm just going to go up under my eye and clean up where I lined my eyes. So I'm going up under my eyes and up under the liner. So now we're going in with the shade number 9 from the Juvias Place I Am Magic Concealer. And we're just going everywhere that I want to highlight on my face. So I want to make these places on my face brighter. So this is where I go in with the number 9. So I can brighten up the areas that I want to highlight with the concealer. Now we're going in with Congo from the Juvias Place. This is the foundation stick, and I'm just going to put that everywhere where I want to contour. So now I'm going in with the Juvias Place I Am Magic Foundation, and this is in the shade Angola and Kano. I mixed them together because one is too light and one is too dark. When I mix it together, I get a perfect combination. So I'm mixing that together and I'm putting that everywhere that I did not conceal or I did not contour. So now that we look a hot mess, we want to go ahead and blend that out. We're going to go ahead and blend out all of the foundation. And we are going to, blend out some of that concealer because you guys already know you want that seamless blend. You don't want to be looking crazy, so you want to go ahead and blend everything out. So I'm going in with my contouring brush and I'm just going to go ahead and blend out everywhere that I contoured. Guys, you want to make sure that you blend this stuff out good because you don't want no lines or demarcation and you do not want to be looking crazy. So, honey, we're going to be blending until our arms hurt, honey. We're going to be blending a lot. You still with me? You still trusting this process? We still blending, honey. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to blend out all of that concealer. Now, normally I go in with a beauty blender, but I was like, let me try a brush. Let me see what I can do with this concealer brush. Because normally I go in with a beauty blender, but the brush wasn't doing what I needed it to do. So you already know I went in with my beauty blender and blended everything out. So now I'm going in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer Beauty Blender. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend out everywhere that I put that lighter contour. Guys, I did go in and blend out my contour around my nose. So I'm just going in and blending everything out. Because I want that nose to be snatched, honey. You already know sis got a big nose. So I'm just trying to, tighten her up a little bit. Because, baby, we around here Rudolph the big nose reindeer, okay? That's what I have. I have a nose on me, baby. I think I can smell what's cooking in Alaska, honey. Because this nose is big, baby. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to snatch her up. Yeah, so you can't tell me that nose ain't snatched. So we're going in with the Milk Makeup Translucent Powder. And we're just going to go ahead and set this everywhere that I concealed. Now, this is in the shade Deep. So we're just going to go in. And I like to use my setting brush to go ahead and set everything. Because, honey, we don't bake around these parts, okay? I do not bake when I'm setting my concealer. Now, I don't do it. I just don't do it. Now, if that's something that you want to do, then go for what you know. But I don't bake when I'm setting. Okay, I just set. I just make sure it's into the skin. So I'm just going in with the CoverGirl loose powder, and this is in the shade 119. I'm just going to set everywhere where I went in with that Milk Translucent powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and set all of that, because baby, I want this face to be snatched up. I want that nose to be snatched. Like, do y'all see how this is blending in? Yes, we want that face to be snatched, baby. So we're just gonna go in, we're gonna set everywhere. So if you don't know about the crayon case, baby, I'm here to tell you about the crayon case. This is the composition book, and I'm going into those 2 browns. And I'm just going to go in and set everywhere I contour that. Honey, if you don't got you some crayon case, baby, you need to go get you some crayon case. And your girl is going to put the link in the description box for you. So go check them out. Okay, so now we're going in with the Maybelline Fitme pressed powder, and this is in the shade 360, and we're just gonna brush away all of that setting powder from CoverGirl, and we're just gonna, you know, smooth out the rest of our face and make it match, honey. We don't want to be around here looking like Casper, so we're just gonna make this face match, and we're gonna, you know, set the rest of our face. Okay, honey, so we is going into the Juvias Place Saharian Volume 1 palette, and we're going to go into that shade Neo. And, baby, we're just going to give ourselves some blushy blush, you know? Like, look at that. You cannot go wrong with some Juvias Place. You cannot go wrong with some Juvias Place, honey. Look at how that face is sitting. Yes, honey. So, y'all, we are still in that palette, honey. We is in the Saharian 2 palette. And we're going into that highlight Zara. Y'all, look at how I'm shining bright like a diamond. Do y'all see that? Yes. So, on to the lips. Y'all already know I'm going in with the crayon case bribery pencil. Y'all already know I'm going to give y'all some boldness for this look. So I'm going in with the bold lip, and we're going into the matte lippie from Crayon Case. And this is in the shade Murda Matte. Okay? Listen, look at how them lips come together, honey. Okay, so we're going in with the BH Cosmetics, and we're just going to go ahead and blend that out so we can get a nice gradient effect on them lips. But, honey, this will be the end of my fall series. If you have not been keeping up with my fall series and this is your first time viewing my video, go ahead and subscribe and go click my playlist to my fall series and catch up, honey. Yes. Okay, so here is the finished look, ladies. How are you feeling about this look, y'all? It is a look, and it's the end of my fall series, guys. I know, but we are about to get back into our bold colors. We are about to get back into our cut creases, and you know, we about to get into so much other stuff. So don't feel bad because this series is over. It's because the looks are still going to be coming, okay? They're still going to be coming. So if you have made it to the end of this video and you have not subscribed yet, baby, then what are you doing? Okay? Okay. So go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram so you can see the pictures of this look. And baby, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Yes, honey, it is a look, baby. It is a look. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and join the gang, boo. Join your favorite chocolate girl. If you have not been keeping up with my fall series, go ahead and click that playlist to keep viewing my fall list and catch up, honey. Because if you're not viewing Beatbymoe, then baby, what are you doing?